Alright, don't mind the tractor spreading some shit in the background. Even though I'm pretty sure it's seeds, but... Alright, what we're gonna do now is we're going to take this bitch off, put it over here, we're gonna hang it somehow, magic, and then we'll pull out my thingamajiggers, my arrow catch hood pins, we'll pull those out, and we'll get this whole fucking thing sprayed. Because why not? Full send.
Keep up with me.
So, and maybe while we're at it, we'll fiberglass that rod I need in the bottom there. So let's do that. Alright, well, I got the rod in there. I've got the heat gun going on. It's a little bit cold, so it's taking a little bit longer than I feel like waiting to set up. So, I got one of these out already. Now we just gotta go take out the other one. Well, Paul's gonna go hopefully tune her a little bit. And I'm gonna stay here and work on this till he gets back. Hopefully he doesn't run out of gas. I'm pretty sure he's gonna... And there it is, no hood. And there it is hanging. Bloop. So now let's give her a wipe down. And yeah. We'll probably actually try and remove these two. And yeah. Maybe slap a little Bondo in there quick. So let's do this. Alright, it's all wiped down. I sanded down this actual corner right here because it was pretty kind of fucked up. The paint was flaking off real bad. You can see a couple of them right there. So I sanded that one down. Still not perfect. We still got like there. You know, we're going to have some imperfections, but the main thing is to get it one color. Just get it ready for the show. And then we'll come back and we'll actually touch up all that stuff. So it's not a big deal. It's a project car. It's not going to be perfect. Not show car for a while. So, yeah, let's get started painting. Let's get that last look of it. And then, ideally, leave it in the comments what you guys think. I brought it up in a stream, but if we cut a line, or we drew a line right there, obviously there, and then right down to there, we painted all this outside white, and then we left the inside this black. What do you guys think? Leave it in the comments if we should do that. All white or all black. Let me know. Well, looks like it started raining again. So Paul called me. He said he like ran out of... He almost like it stalled on him on the hill because he pretty much ran out. And when he filled up, he had like 18.5. And I think he's got like a 19-gallon tank or something like that. So, I'd say he was pretty close. But, yeah. Getting there. Slowly but surely getting some layers on. Alright, there it is. That's technically the second coat. So right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop those off and pop this off, and then we're going to pull these out and hopefully it holds. I just took off this piece, so this is holding, so that's a good sign. But yeah, we'll find out how it goes when I pop those off. So let's do that. Holy mother of God, it is hazy in here. But yeah, there it is. Last coat. I think 2 or 3 coats, one of the two. Got those, and then we painted the bottom. So, well, not really. I just painted the edges and all that stuff. So, and over where I fiberglass. So, but yeah. Oh yeah, and then remove those. Those came out real nice. Then we'll just have to, you know, cover those, and then we'll have to sand these rough spot areas. No big deal. All stuff we can do later. So, but hey. All one color. Now I'm gonna tape off the headlight covers right here. Just gonna run some tape around the outside here, and then we'll paint these. So let's get these painted. Alright, well, got those painted, just hanging in there. Now we wait. And then I'll put another coat or two on those. Well. Alright, well, we're gonna put the fenders on. Paul's car kind of just jumped to the other side of the moon here. But we're gonna get his fenders on here. Huh. Look at that. It says you should do this in a well-ventilated area. It's propped open. Not high moisture. It's raining. It'll be fine. 70-degree weather. Nope, it's like 40, 50. I don't know. That's how we do it. fuck the can. They don't know what they're talking about. Alright, well, fender is on. And fender is on. The only thing Paul's got to get on is the bottoms down here. There's some inside ones, but we can't open the door, obviously. So we have to do that one later. But, yeah. It's looking like a car again. Like, damn, look at that. It looks so fucking sick. Well, yeah, there it is. Impatient as shit. Look at that white ass fan. Covered in dust. Don't turn on the fan. That'd be a damn shame. And look at this guy over here. Killing the tag gang.
It's way better on the screen than it does in real life.
I know, it does. Well, the light's on too, so. Boop, boop.
Oh.
But yeah. I think that's probably going to be it for this one. Like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next one.